Breaking news in the world of artificial intelligence. Elon Musk and XAI have just unveiled Grok 3, the most advanced AI model yet. This next-gen AI is said to be 10 times more capable than its predecessor, Grok 2. So, what makes Grok 3 so powerful? Let's dive in. During the official launch, Musk described Grok 3 as an order of magnitude more capable than Grok 2. His ambition? To create an AI that deeply understands the universe and human creativity. Grok 3 boasts three major modes: Think, Big Brain, and Deep Search. These allow the AI to solve complex problems, generate creative content, and conduct in-depth research. It's designed to think longer, analyze deeper, and provide more accurate results. In the launch demo, Grok 3 successfully plotted a trajectory from Earth to Mars, demonstrating its advanced reasoning skills. The AI model took 114 seconds to calculate the answer, showcasing its powerful problem-solving abilities. Grok 3 also flexed its creative muscles by designing an entirely new game based on Tetris and Bejeweled. Musk even announced the launch of an AI gaming studio at XAI, inviting developers to join in creating AI-driven games. With Deep Search, users can request Grok 3 to conduct extensive research, saving them hours of Google searches. Musk claims it will revolutionize how we access information online. Grok 3 is rolling out today for X Premium Plus users, but that's not all. XAI is introducing a new Super Grok subscription, granting early access to the most advanced features. Despite its advancements, Grok 3 isn't perfect. AI expert Andrei Karpathy noted that it struggles with Unicode-based puzzles, humor generation, and creative design tasks. However, Musk assures users that continuous improvements are on the way. With OpenAI rejecting Musk's buyout offer and the rapid rise of competitors like DeepSeek, the AI race is intensifying. Can XAI's Grok 3 keep up? Musk believes so, even hinting that future updates will make Grok unbeatable. Want to experience Grok 3? Upgrade to X Premium Plus and try it today. What do you think? Will Grok 3 dominate the AI world? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates.